Welcome to Dotcom's tutorial on adding forms to your web design. Are you facing setbacks while collecting information from your website visitors? Having a clear and concise form element on your website makes it easier for customers to interact with you without going around looking for contact information. Go to the desired theme page and click Elements. Drag and drop the form element to the design canvas. Hover over the element to edit the form element, container column, and container row. 1. Form element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Let's begin with customizing the form field section. Here, you can add and edit any number of fields. To edit a field, click Edit. In the next window, you can customize the type, label, placeholder, and width of the field. Click Save. Likewise, you can edit or delete each form field individually. Next, choose an input size for the form field. Along with this, you can alter the visibility of the label and required mark. Now, expand the Buttons section. Here, customize the type, size, text, width, and alignment of the button. If needed, you can add an icon for your button and customize the icon-related parameters. Now, switch to the Style tab. Go to Form section to adjust the column gaps and row gaps for different screen types. Next, adjust the typography and text color of the label. You can use the Fields section to modify the typography, text color, BG color, and border parameters of the fields added to the form. To customize the style format of the button element, expand this section. Dotcom lets you customize the style format of buttons in normal and hover modes. Let's go through the normal mode first. Here, you can adjust the typography, color, and other parameters of the button in normal mode. You can switch to hover mode and perform similar customizations. Finally, expand the message section to adjust the typography, success message color, and error message color. Here, you can either choose from the global set or customize your own style. Now, switch to the last tab, Advanced. First, expand the Advanced section. Here, you can configure the margin, padding, and width of the form element for different screen types. Now, expand the Background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters of the form element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes separately. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the form element on different screen types. 2. Container column. Select Edit and click the Content tab. Here, adjust column parameters like width, gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click Edit. You can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, you can effortlessly configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can adjust the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general customizations on your form element. Here, you can change the position of the element, add new containers, or delete the element with the click of a button. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on how to use the form element on Dotcom. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you design your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.